let us find the phase velocity Vp and group velocity Vg for de Broglie waves. So we have the definition of phase velocity Vp is equal to omega by k, that is equal to nu lambda, because omega is equal to 2 pi nu by k is equal to 2 pi by lambda. 2 pi cancels, we get nu lambda. This is equation number 1. Now we want to find these two and substitute. So omega is equal to 2 pi nu, that is equal to 2 pi into, from Einstein's equation we can write nu is equal to mc square by h. How? See, we have E is equal to h nu, and this is Planck's quantum theory, and E is equal to mc square from Einstein's equation. From these two, nu is equal to mc square by h. So I substituted there. So this is equation number 2. Similarly, k is equal to 2 pi by lambda, that is equal to, from de Broglie's equation we write 2 pi by lambda is equal to h by mv, that is equal to 2 pi mv by h. Say this is equation number 3. Now substituting 2 and 3 in 1, we get Vp is equal to simply, what shall we write? Omega by k or omega by k. So, or nu by, on the other hand you can substitute either this or that. Anyway, you can say 2 pi this omega mc square by h is 1, and this equation divided by k is equal to 2 pi mv. So what shall we get? H 2 pi cancels, and m also cancel. Remaining is c square by v. So therefore we write phase velocity Vp is equal to c square by v. Here this is phase velocity, this is velocity of light, this is the particle velocity for de Broglie's waves. Okay, so de Broglie waves velocity on the other hand we can say. So here we know v is smaller than c, hence definitely Vp must be greater than c. This is for de Broglie waves. For de Broglie waves. Similarly, we can find for group velocity Vg is equal to d omega by dk. See here, in this case, simply omega is equal to this much we got, but we have to take variable mass in this case. Here mass and mass are cancelled, no problem. But here we are differentiating means the mass also varying, hence we have to varies with velocity, hence we have to substitute in this equation 2 and 3 m value as, say this is equation number 4, in 2, 3. I am giving the hints, simply you solve it. Substitute m is equal to m naught by square root of 1 minus v square by c square. First step. Okay. Second hint. Find d omega by dv. And third step. Find dk by dv. Then divide. You will get the right answer as Vg is equal to simply the particle velocity. This is the answer you get. So it's somewhat lengthy calculations only, the differentiations. So that is why we can get Vg is equal to V. This is all something about de Broglie's group velocity and phase velocities. Clear? Fine.